Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we'll show you how to remove, how to replace throttle pedal, also known as accelerator pedal or gas pedal, guys. Stay with us, that's what we'll be doing today. Quick introduction. Every car we get at the shop, guys, including this generation Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy a new accelerator pedal, car parts, tools, anything like that, we'll have the link in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them for a really good price and fast shipping as well. We guys have a 2015 Dodge Dart here. Doesn't matter if you have a GT Ray or Dodge Dart, the procedure should be the same. So we'll go ahead and show you what needs to be done, okay, to remove and replace that throttle accelerator pedal. That's a weak spot sometimes. I've noticed many people on the forums complain about having to replace one. Okay, this is the pedal I'm talking about here, guys. So what we need to do now, okay, we need to get 8 Torx. Okay, let me grab the tool. It is like this one. Torx 25 star looking bit. Okay, most of them are 25. Sometimes you may have Torx 27. Okay, now we have 3 bolts, okay, that we need to remove. You can see, okay, one is there, okay, you can see the bolt hanging now. So it's actually a screw, plastic screw, all the way screw, guys. Super tight spot here, one in the top right corner there. Okay, I won't be able to show you where exactly, but once I remove it I'll be able to show you. Okay, this one too. Now what I'll do, okay, I need to somehow access that thing, okay, to remove the bolt. Okay, I simply hate that car, guys. Having to work here upside down all day to make videos, it's just no fun. So this one's over. Now we have one more in the corner, upper corner, guys, okay, that we need to remove. Okay, it came out perfect. So all 3 bolts are loose. Now we need to disconnect, okay, we need to disconnect the wiring harness, which is okay right here. This is the wiring harness right there. So I'll show you guys what needs to be done now for that. So let me show you now, guys, right here. Okay, that thing, need to slide it out and it comes off, guys. Okay, I'm trying to find my way out. Okay, let me see if I can twist, okay, that connector to show you. I want to twist so you can see. Okay, check it out. Okay, how it's spread like that. Now you can see that throttle pedal, accelerator pedal, guys, it's out of the car. You can see just like that. It did take quite a bit of effort, but not too complicated. You just have to be upside down and hopefully you're not too long or too big to fit there. You can see one bolt here, one on the bottom and one on the side that we removed, and this is the connector right here. And this is, guys, the throttle accelerator pedal out of your Dodge Dart. That's how you guys remove it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and see you guys next time.